again, I'm Libby Yeh. So this video today is going to be the first in a new series that I am calling UX Snacks. I've named it that mostly because I like to snack or eat in general, but I also wanted to create short, really quick informative videos on specific parts of the UX process. So quick, much like a snack. The first set of UX snacks is going to reference a website redesign project that I'm currently working on for an agency. And today we are going to work on the problem, which is the first step in the UX design process. I'm sure you all know how to identify issues or problems with websites and apps, and you likely know how to drill those down to what the root of the issue is or who you're actually solving for. But something that I still do for my UX projects as well as CX projects is I try to solve all the problems for all the people, and we need not to do that. So for this project, things that I really want to solve for is the prospective client who's looking for an inspiring new agency. I also want the website to do more for current clients, and then of course I really want to wow the competition, but I can't do all of these things at once. So think of this little morsel of a snack as a reminder to analyze all of your problems and then determine what will be your foundation of your UX project. So now I've decided to focus in on my prospective clients, and here is my kick-ass problem statement, and feel free to use this format. Clients need a way to quickly know what a prospective agency excels at because they want to hire an agency that inspires them and will partner with them to deliver creative, unique content to their customers. Easy peasy, right? So now that we have had that reminder to not solve all the world's website problems at once, we are going to start the grueling process of competitive analysis and start talking to the people, which is my favorite part. So stay tuned for more snacks.